Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station, and my name is Pam. Today I'm going to share you my reviews on the Revlon Super Lustrous Travel Exclusive pack which I have, and this package is which is including 5 lipsticks. And if you like any of these lipstick the shade, you can definitely buy it from Nykaa.com. These and more shades are available there of Revlon, and if I find on Amazon I will definitely share the link over there. Now this kit, if you have watched my Paris vlog, the day one I had shared there. First flight was from Mumbai to Egypt, and then from Egypt we went to Paris. So in Egypt we halted there for around 1 or 2 hours, and then I did little shopping, and out of that shopping, that was this Revlon travel kit, which is five in one package, this travel kit, and also the mascara, the Revlon. So if you would like to know the mascara review also, please let me know in the comment section. I will share my reviews on Revlon. So this is the mascara which I took from this is the travel kit which I got, the two mascaras, and there is just one, the Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. And if you want, please let me know. I will share a separate review on this. The eyeliner is super nice, and it also have the swatch, the smudge thing on the other end. So I will share the review, or maybe I will share a small post on my Instagram. So definitely follow me on my Instagram ID. My ID is just chill my dog, so you can find lots other products review over there. So let's go to the Revlon travel kit. So here I have 5 lipsticks, that is, the shades are mentioned in numbers as well as the names. On lipstick there is 15% off going on. The actual price is 699 rupees, but you will get it for 594 only. So these lipsticks are very creamy and it really moisturizes your lips. I have applied one of the shade here, which I will definitely let you know at the end of this video after the swatches. And I like 2 of my shade. The out of this 5, 2 shades I really liked it, and the dark shade you will have to apply a liner, then it will give your lips a perfect shape. Otherwise, the dark liner, dark lipsticks, if you apply it without a liner, I am sure it is going to make your lips shape really bad. So I would suggest apply a liner and then apply the dark shades of the Revlon range. And it is not matte, it is creamy, and it doesn't stay for a long time, but it definitely moisturizes your lip, and also it is very pigmented, guys. So if you have, your lips are not smooth or you have flaky skin, please apply a lip balm for some time and then apply this lipstick, because the creamy texture of this lipstick may make your lips not smooth enough. It will show on your lips that your lips are not, the skin is not clear. So you need to have a clean skin. Your lips should be very nicely matte. So let's check out the swatches. like these swatches and any of this lipstick, or lip shade you like it, you can click the link in my description box. You can get for 15% off and grab it right away, because an amazing, I think, Navratri offer going on Nykaa, and there is many other products which is going on in very good deal. So all the rates, all the products which is going on good deal, I will share the links in my description box. You can check that away, and follow me on my Instagram. My ID is just Chell My Dog. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.